With ESPN's College Game Day comes many signs and posters that fans bring to get themselves on TV. Tiger TV took advantage of this opportunity, and now we'd like to show you our top 5 pictures that we took out there on the parade grounds.
And Brian, these posters did not disappoint as we start off with number 5. Apparently this might have happened as Coach Urban Meyer said, "You're not eating your vegetables, Timmy Tebow. Unless you're not playing unless you eat your vegetables."
Number 4 was the dog painted with tiger stripes. The dog looked happy. Fans were excited to see it. I know it looked like a tiger.
I thought it was a real tiger whenever I
too.
first saw it. Moving on to number 3, a little crack on Tim Tebow whenever he was sacked by Kentucky, and a little mention for Mr. Tebow by that little remark.
And number 2, Santa's little helper. You wonder how you get those packages to your house on Christmas morning? Well, Tim Tebow is the one who's helping Santa out all the way.
Of course, of course. And we couldn't forget Patrick Peterson. However, this arm, it doesn't show in a picture, but his right arm actually moved in a circle to mimic him waving Chad Jones into the end zone on the punt return against Mississippi State.
That was very
creativity on their part on that one.
The guy has a lot of time on his hands.